everybody! So I will show you how I made this dahlia inspired paper flower. So this will actually be a part of the backdrop that I will be making here in my home office or home workshop, or as my husband wants to call it, my galatan, or where I make my mess in. This template is actually a part of my paper flower template collection, which you can check out in the description below. And also, I have a formal tutorial, or basically it's the tutorial that is part of the template. You can check that out in the link above. So yeah, and well, there's actually a bit difference between that one and this one, so you can see that by watching this video.
The main point actually here is I'll be using scraps or leftover cardstock from a project I had years ago. So yes, these are scraps or leftovers. I hate wasting paper, so I've actually got the dahlia templates on the empty or unused spaces of the paper where I've used, or I've got the bigger templates off. So yep, this flower is made from scrap paper. So since I've already cut these while I was doing that previous project, I'll be assembling them into cones. Scratch that. I actually find this other process easier and more efficient. So I use tacky glue. I also use a paintbrush to apply it, then several clothespin, or what we call in Tagalog sipit, to keep them attached while they dry. So assembling them is just easy, so let's go. I highly recommend having a sturdy base or a hard base or harder base. So I just got a cardboard or carton base. You can use your used carton boxes you got from a purchase from Amazon or something like that. So I then attached the cardstock base to it. I highly recommend this, so your base should have the same color as your petals. Then I start placing in the petals in this manner. For this version, I will deliberately curl the tip of the cone petal for all the rest of the layers. Actually, it's easier to do that before you make your cones. So aside from being a part of the backdrop here in my home office, so these paper dahlias will be serving a different purpose, or like a second purpose, where I will be transporting them. The pointed tips of the petal have a tendency to bend when it's kind of squished. That's why let's just deliberately squish them or curl them. So let's continue making them. We're done. So ain't that easy?
Yep, again, this is the finished product, and the only difference between the first version and this one is that I deliberately curled the tips of the petals because again, I will be using it differently. There will be a second use for it aside from being a part of the backdrop, so I just don't want it to be squished, so I curled it. Anyway, so yeah, thanks for watching, and please do like this video and please do subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much again for watching.